Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Aditya Nugraha. I'm from Science Education A. I want to explain an essay entitled Water Pollution. Water is a substance that is needed by living things, both humans, animals, and plants. Humans need water to drink and facilitate their activity. Kept in mind that the human body is made up of 85% water, so it will become dehydrated if there is a lack of water. Animals need water to drink. Some also need water for their habitat. While plants also need water for photosynthesis and a place to live. Water available on Earth is 1 per 3 of the total land area. The same indeed is see when living things that water. He just need to go where the water is. Water place on Earth besides the sea include river, beaches, and spring. However, have we ever realized that the water supply on Earth is clean and fit for consumption? Of course not. There are many things that cause water pollution. One of which is due to human activity. Human carry out activity that cause water pollution. Among them, the disposal of industrial waste into rivers on the sea without going through the filtration process, filling trash, and throwing garbage in rivers. Disposal to intrude industrial waste into river or into the sea without going through filtration can have a fatal impact. Total many factory owners are willing to set up factory without thinking about how they properly dispose of waste. In fact, the government has recommend to treat waste properly when asking for a permit to build in factory in area. There are many of the factory owner who think if the waste is just dumped into the river or into the sea and their just job is done. According to the proper will dispose of waste illegally. Regulating the waste to be disposed by filtration will only increase cost in the production process because the equipment used for filtration is not a cheap tool. I thought the cost is cheap. It will still make more expense. Not to mention if the production cost incur a very lag. Meanwhile, profit and small even this does not include the cost that will be lost when sparing a loss. In addition, the time in the waste filtration process takes a long time. There is a process line. This will hamper the performance of employees in the factory. If you have to add employees, it will add more cost. Thus, the disposal of waste by the filtration process will only waste time and money. Without them realizing it, in waste the disposal of the remaining substance that will pollute the water. Pollutant are divided into inorganic substance and inorganic substance. However, the impact arising from inorganic substance is more dangerous. The inorganic substance include arsenic, cadmium, lead, and mercury. Arsenic is highly toxic. Arsenic is often used for rat poison. If consumed by human, if they will anoxia, colic, nausea, dysentery, or constipation, it can cause bleeding in the kidneys and skin cancer. Cadmium is highly toxic to human. If consumed, will cause gastrointestinal substance and kidney disease. Lead also has very toxic property. Corynellite is used to increase octane by missing epoxylene. The early use of lead content in pen and saline. The impact of baby portioning will show substance including a metallic test in the mouth, black line of the gums, scale disturbance, anoxia, vomiting, clicking, and spontaneous. And the next level of portioning causes stupor, coma, and death. The next one around us is certainly no stranger to illegal logging or illegal logging of trees. However, it's not only illegal but also on a large scale. If this happen, the water Carmen area will decrease. Thus, it will make the rainwater the file only flow without be absorbed by the soil. Then the water that fell with heat in the city will cause flooding which will damage the environment. In addition, if the number of trees decrease, the content of carbon dioxide in the air will increase. If it made carbon monoxide, it will form carbon HCO2 CO3, what is contained in acid rain. Acid rain will damage plant. The last throwing garbage in the river. Of course, this is something we often encounter in everyday life. Many people who throw garbage in river think that the garbage they throw away will be carried away by the water current. So the garbage that The garbage that is thrown away does not leave residue. If you think more deeply, the garbage thrown away that is thrown away will not leave any residue, as will the substances that are in the garbage will also move. However, if the garbage accumulates in larger quantity, it will cause sedimentation. Later from the disposition substance that reduce water quality will spread the following water or not. This of course has a negative impact on human health. And for animal, if the and garbage, the animal will encourage the is digestive system full of garbage. If this animal can be consumed by human, it will interfere human health. In the problem of water pollution solution that can be used include the use of filtration system for industry waste reforestation and also not throwing garbage into river. The filtration system aims to separate suspend solid from the trusted water. In this in this application, a filtration system in use to remove remaining suspended solid and that are not disposed in the sedimentation. The substance in hazardous waste will be reduced when discharged into sediment on river. That's why the waste will not pollution the water by carrying harmful substance. However, is the water quality that we describe. The second solution that can be used recursion. In addition to intrusive anti-red, it will also prevent the spreading from dry out, so that existing water will not dirty anymore and has quality. It is suitable for consumption. In the process of photosynthesis in plant, the resultant can be consumed by human and animal with not contain substances that are harmful to health. The water on earth need to protect. Have you ever thought for a moment if in the future there is not water, or is the water but is don't have a decent quality, which will of rain future generation? They lack water. Some FND because there is no water. They cannot grow optimally. Dry events some organ that can function properly. It will really happen because of the share of human in prosperous area is to so easy from to enjoy clean water to meet the need. If you exploit it too much from now on, it will even cause pollution. Future generation will no longer be able to use water properly. This is where today is a president ends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.